Right now, two people are waking up. Same city, same education, same salary. But 10 years from now, their lives will look nothing alike. One will own assets that generate money while they sleep. The other will be competing against machines for jobs that pay less than they used to. The difference between them is not luck. It is not talent. It is a single decision they make in the next 12 months. In the next 8 minutes, you will understand 3 things. First, how AI is already dividing the world into 2 financial classes. Second, which side of that divide you are currently standing on. Third, the exact moves that shift you to the winning side. This is not theory. This is math, and math does not care about your feelings. Most people think AI is a tool, like a calculator, like a search engine, something you use when you need it. They are wrong. AI is not a tool. AI is a worker. One that does not sleep, does not ask for raises, does not take vacations, does not get tired at 4 p.m. on a Friday. And unlike the workers of the Industrial Revolution, this one can think. Not perfectly, not always, but fast enough and cheap enough. In 2024, Goldman Sachs estimated AI could automate 300 million full-time jobs globally. Not replace, automate. The difference matters, and that difference changes everything about how wealth is created and destroyed. Here is what is already happening. The top AI companies are growing at a rate no industry in history has matched. Not because their product is better, because their product does not require people to scale. A single AI system can do what an entire department used to do. Not because the machine is smarter, because it is faster and it does not stop. This is the new economy. Not the economy of who works hardest, the economy of who understands the machine. 200 years ago, land was wealth. Then machines became wealth. Then information became wealth. Now AI is wealth. And like every wealth shift before it, the people who own it rise. The people who ignore it fall behind. The question is never, is this happening? The question is always, which side am I on when it does? So here is the question nobody wants to ask. Where does your income come from right now? If the answer is time, hours exchanged for dollars, you are in the most vulnerable position possible. Because AI is about to make time cheaper than it has ever been. Let that sit for a moment. In the AI economy, there are only 3 types of people. Path 1, the builder. This is the person who creates AI, who trains models, who writes the code, who engineers the systems. You need advanced technical skills, deep capital, years of study. Most people watching this are not builders. And that is okay, because the second path is where the real opportunity lives. Path 2, the user. This is the person who uses AI to do the work of 10 people. They are not writing code. They are not training models. They are using AI to research faster, create faster, sell faster, and scale faster. The designer who used to take 3 weeks now finishes in 3 days. The writer who used to produce 1 piece now produces 20. The entrepreneur who needed a $50,000 team now runs everything alone. This is 66 Make Money with AI, not as a slogan, as a strategy. And this is where your opportunity lives, right now, today. Energy shift. Slight pause before path 3. Path 3, the victim. This is the person who waits, who says AI will never replace my job, who watches while their entire industry restructures around them. The jobs that survive this era are not the ones that avoided AI. They are the ones that learned to work alongside it. The choice between Path 2 and Path 3 is not made in 10 years. It is being made right now by what you do or don't do this month. Stay with me for 2 more minutes, because what comes next is the part most people never see, the 10-year picture. What 2035 actually looks like for the person who moves now, and what it looks like for the one who doesn't. Let's talk about 2035. Not predictions, projections, based on data that already exists. McKinsey estimates that 375 million workers globally will need to change occupations by 2030. Not because there are no jobs, because the jobs that remain will require one thing: AI literacy. Not AI expertise, not coding, not engineering. The ability to ask the right questions, use the right tools, think alongside the machine. The person who spent 2025 and 2026 learning AI-powered systems, building with them, creating with them, selling with them, that person in 2035 will have assets, digital assets, revenue streams, skills that compound. The person who waited, they will be competing in a labor market compressed by AI efficiency. Wages lower, competition higher, opportunity narrower. This is not fear, this is math. And math, unlike trends, does not reverse. History does not remember the people who moved when it was safe. It remembers the people who moved when the window opened. A teenage immigrant, barely speaking the language, with nothing but a dangerous question, saw a ship full of discarded bananas, fruit that no one wanted, and built an empire. He did not wait for permission. He did not wait for certainty. He asked one question: what if I move faster than everyone else? That is your question now. Not what if AI takes my job, not what if the bubble bursts. What if I move faster than everyone else? The AI era does not owe you wealth, but it is offering something no era in history has offered this openly: the tools of the wealthy, available to anyone with the willingness to use them. That window is open. For now. If you've made it this far, you already understand something most people don't. And in this world, even attention is a form of currency. Hit like, subscribe, and watch what comes next, because this is only the beginning.